Hi everyone, I'm Suhardi Amir from Quizizz Indonesia. Did you know that Quizizz has 17 types of questions that you can use to create engaging quizzes? Let's start with the first type of questions, which is multiple choice. This type is the most popular among Quizizz users. At the top, you will find features to change the color, bold, italicize, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, and insert symbols. If you are a math teacher or teacher in science field, you can also use the insert equation feature here to add math symbols. In this section, you can write your question or statement. You can also add images, audio, and videos to your questions. For the answer options, you can add image as well. By default, there are 4 answer options, but you can add more than 4 by clicking the plus button here. After you enter the question and answer options, don't forget to provide the correct answer key. You can choose between single correct answer or multiple correct answer. Let's go back to the top. Here, you will find option to set the points your student will achieve for correct answers, the time duration for answering the questions, and you can also add explanation for the answers. If everything is set, click the Save Question button here. If you want to add more questions, click Add Question and choose the type of question you want. To save your questions, click Publish and fill in the quiz details such as quiz name, subject, grade, language, and feasibility. You can also add an image cover for your quiz and then click the Publish button. The second type of question is fill in the blank. The features here are quite similar to the previous type, but the key difference is how you place the answer key. You can choose between separate boxes or single input field. You can also add answer hints to help your student if they are struggling. Once done, click Save. After that, click Publish and fill in the quiz details. To conduct in class, click Start Now. Choose the game mode you want, for example, Classic mode, and student just need to enter the word that matches the answer key. When finished, the teacher can click Add button up the top. The next quiz type is Draw. This type is an open-ended question where teacher can ask the student to show what they know in a more creative way, like circling series on a map or solving step-by-step equations. In this question type section, write your question here. You can choose to insert an image or select blank canvas as a space for student to mark or draw according to your instructions. Once done, click Save Questions and Publish. Fill in the quiz details and click Publish. To play directly in class, select Start Now. Choose the game mode and provide the link to students. They will enter their names and the teacher click the Start button once all students are in. In this section, students can use several features like the pen tool, which allow them to adjust the tightness, highlighter tool. They also can erase or mistake they made. Once their answers are marked or drawn, they can click Submit at the bottom. Next is video response. This type allows students to express themselves visually, personalize their learning, and practice their presentation skills. In the question editor, the teacher just needs to enter the instruction and set the duration for the video that student will upload as their answer. Once finished, click Save Question, then Publish, and fill in the quiz details. To use it in the class, just click Start Now, choose the quiz mode, and click Start. Students need to enter their names, and once there are students who have joined, the teacher just click Start. Student will click the Open Video Recorder button to start recording, and they just must click the red record button. After recording, they can click the red button again. If they feel they need to fix something, they can record by clicking Retake. But if everything is okay, they can click Submit to send the video to the teacher. To view the student videos, the teacher can go to Report, click the quiz name, then click the student's name, and their video will be available there. The next step is polling. This type allows you to ask for opinions from your students or audience. The concept is similar to multiple choice, but polling does not assign scores. You can also decide whether a student can select one's answer or multiple answers. After entering the question and answer option, click Save button, then Publish, and fill in the quiz details. To conduct the polling in the class, just click Start Now, choose the quiz mode, click Start, and provide the link for students to enter their name. Once students are in, and they can choose their answers. When finished, the teacher can click Exit button at the top. Next is Open-ended. Currently, this type can be automatically graded using Quizizz AI. Enter the quiz question here, then click Enable. Specify which class and subject this is for, and you can click Generate with AI to create the answer key. Once done, click Save and Enable. The next step is to click Save Question, then Publish and fill in the quiz details. To conduct the quiz in class, just click Start Now. Choose the quiz mode, click Start, provide the game link, and students will enter their names. Once students are in, just click Start. On the student page, they just need to write their answer and click Submit. When finished, the teacher can click the Exit button in the top corner, which will automatically direct them to report page. The next type is audio response. This type allows students to pronounce a word, recite a poem, describe an image, or demonstrate reading skills. This type is quite similar to the video response type, with the only difference being audio and video. In this section, enter the question or instruction, then set the duration for the audio response. Once done, click Save Question, Publish, and fill in the quiz details. To conduct it in the classroom, just click Start Now. Then choose Classic Mode or another quiz mode. Click Start, share the game link, and student will enter their names. Once students are in, click Start. Student can click Open Audio Recorder to start recording their voice. Click the red button to begin recording. To stop recording, click the red button again. When finished, click Submit. Once done, the teacher can press Exit button to leave the game. The last question type in this first part is word cloud. This type is great for icebreakers and opening presentations in your class. Word cloud are often used in interactive presentation or in lesson feature in quizzes. The process is so simple. Click Create, select Lesson, choose Create from scratch. Then select Add New Slide. Scroll down until you find Word Cloud feature. Enter your question, then click Publish and fill in the quiz details. To conduct in the class, just click Start Now, then click Start Now again, and provide the game link to your student. They just need to enter their name and press Start. Once student has successfully joined, the teacher click the Start Now button when opening to the Word Cloud slide. Students are invited to fill in 1 or 2 words and then click Submit. The idea of word cloud is that the more students fill in your question, the more diverse the shape of your word cloud will be, just like a cloud. That's all the explanation of the type of question available in Quizizz in this first part. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.